5 animals that can live after death. After a snake loses its head, it still has hours to live, so you better stay away from its head because it can still inject you with its venom even after death. Salamanders can regenerate limbs and organs so they don't die. When they're old enough, they could regenerate again and again, even their brain, heart, and spinal cord. Chickens can live without their heads as long as their brain stems aren't cut off, because most of their motor functions aren't controlled by the brain, but by the brain stems. Flatworms can rebuild any part of its body after it's cut off. If cut in half, the head will rebuild the tail and vice versa, resulting in 2 flatworms. Cockroaches are resistant to radiation and are most likely to survive a nuclear attack. They can live after decapitation for a long time, but since they can't eat, they die of starvation.